Hello everyone and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Tuesday the 17th of May 2022. Let's dive straight into the Bitcoin chart and see what's been happening so far today. It's in a move to the upside, so we have seen cryptos in the green in the trade so far, and that's mainly because we've also seen equities pushing higher, so there's a bit more risk appetite today, it would seem so far. Let's wait and see when the US markets come online, although it is the famous turnaround Tuesday. So do we see that move higher? Bitcoin, if we get that move higher, then we've got to break through the 30k barrier just above it right now. Can they hold above? Obviously, we got yesterday's high and the weekend high to look to take out from there. So that'll be the first target for the bulls. If there's enough momentum, enough buyers just above this level, we can see a push up, and the next target will be around the 32,900 area. And then, of course, you'll be looking into that longer term trend line, which comes through just under the 35,000 handle. Looking at Litecoin today, we're at 70.49, and we can see this market just moving up marginally as well. Not sure why my chart isn't extending, but there we go. We can just zoom in here for now. And you can see Litecoin at 70.50, looking to push above that previous daily high, looking to get above the weekend high, and then it's a case of can we get back above the 75 handle. That 75 handle basically the next target, but the sellers will be looking to step in here, looking for that typical breakout, retrace, and then a reversal back down, and a high, quite a significant lower high being put in around the 75 handle. So just watching that quite closely, and a turnaround could see us drop back down to retest the 50 area. Ethereum currently tracking at at 2076, not at 7620. And we can see here that 2000 handle of quite some significance overhead. If we can't take out that current weekend high, you can see very thin trading range so far today on Ethereum. By the way, just south of 100 points. So quite a small day trading so far. Overhead, you've got the 23 handle, so 2300 would be my first target if we can break out of this little area of consolidation that we've been in. Otherwise, it's a move back down to retest yesterday's daily low. Pretty boring, I know, but that's basically where we're at right now. And then a case of moving back down to retest the 1700 area. Nothing really to shout about in the crypto space today, so we're just diving straight into the technicals, to be honest. We've got the 0.4287 handle being printed right now on Ripple. Overhead resistance for this market comes in at 0.4445. In terms of the highs that we need to look to break out of, obviously got that inside bar here set up. We didn't see a strong enough break to the upside. It's kind of faded back in and still trading within that inside bar now. So we really need to take out the previous daily bar high, that 0.4640 overhead, or 0.38 to the downside. If we break either basically the high and low of this bar, then that could be a signal for looking for a move into the 50 cents handle, breaking the upside, or moving down into the 0.3345. Basically, them correction lows, of course, still lingering quite near. I won't ramble on any further today because there's nothing really to shout about. We do have US retail sales that could be of some significance because that, of course, could have a knock-on effect to the US dollar. It could have a knock-on effect into equities, and again, just affecting that risk appetite. So maybe that particular headline figure, which is due in 45 minutes time from now, is something to pay attention to. If we get a slightly softer than expected number, interestingly, you might see a bid in risk assets because that would signal that potentially the Fed need to be less hawkish, and then that gives a reason for risk to have a bit of a breather and a relief rally, a bear market rally, if you like. Whereas the opposite could be true. If you see a higher than expected number, then again, it's just suggesting the economy is actually still doing pretty well, and therefore the Fed is still going to go all guns blazing at tackling inflation. So that's kind of the simplicity of things as we stand. I'll leave it there for now. Until next time, all the best with your crypto trading, and bye for now.